Hi, I'm Navid and today we are going to talk about the fundamental concept in C# called abstract classes. Don't worry if it sounds tricky, we'll break it down step by step using both simple and more advanced examples. By the end of this video, you will be a pro at creating and using abstract classes, whether you are just starting your programming journey or looking to enhance your skills. So let's dive right in. What is an abstract class? Well, an abstract class is like a blueprint for making other classes. Imagine we have an abstract class vehicle with two rules, start and stop. Any class based on vehicle must follow these rules, but we don't tell them exactly how. In this code, vehicle is like our blueprint. It says, any class based on me must know how to start and stop. But I won't tell you how to do it because different vehicles do it in their own way. Creating an abstract class is easy. We just use the keyword abstract. When you create an abstract class, it often includes abstract methods. These are methods without a specific implementation. They are like placeholder, waiting for more concrete detail from the classes that inherit from the abstract class. In this code, we have created our custom abstract class vehicle and added two abstract methods, start and stop. These abstract methods are like rules every class based on vehicle must follow. However, we leave these methods without a specific implementation because different vehicles have distinct ways of starting and stopping. Think of abstract methods as blueprints within our blueprint. They set the stage for what needs to be done, but don't prescribe how it's done. It's up to the classes inheriting from vehicle to provide those missing pieces. Now let's get into inheritance. It's like passing on rules from one class to another. With an abstract class, other classes can inherit these rules. Let's say we have a car class that follows the rules set by our abstract class vehicle. Car is a regular class that follows the rules set by vehicle. It's like a new club member agreeing to follow the club's rules. Start and stop are specified for cars, telling us how a car starts and stops. It's like saying, I'm a car and this is how I do it. Now let's create another class based on the vehicle. Truck class is a regular class as well. This class is based on the vehicle class as well, so it must follow the rules set by vehicle class. We have stop and stops here as well, but as you can see, stop and stops implements based on the truck here. So both car and truck have those rules, start and stop, but they implemented in their own way. Benefits of abstract classes. Why should you care about abstract classes? Well, they provide structure, promote code reusability, and keep things organized. Now, let's put what we have learned into action with a practical example. In this code, we have an abstract class animal and two classes lion and eagle that follow the rules. First, we define our animal abstract class, which is like creating a kingdom for animals. Every class based on animal must implement eat and sleeps methods, but we don't specify how to do it. It's like saying every animal in this kingdom must eat and sleep, but they can do it in their own way. Next, we create lion and eagle classes. These classes inherit rules from animal. It's like inviting new members to our animal kingdom, who agree to follow the kingdom's rules in each class. We provide specific ways for lions and eagles to eat and sleep. So lion and eagle classes follow the rules set by animal abstract class. They specify how lions and eagles eat and sleep, while the main rules remain the same. It's like welcoming new member to our animal kingdom, each with its unique behaviors. Now let's take a look on a program and run the application. If I open the animal, as you see, a lion is eating, a lion is sleeping, eagle is eating, eagle is sleeping. So both classes follow the same rules, but in their own way. In a nutshell, abstract classes provide a structured way to create classes, ensuring consistency while allowing for flexibility in implementation. Thank you for joining me in exploring abstract classes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more programming insights. I'm Navid and I will catch you in the next video. Happy coding!